Good evening. This is Global Pulse News TV. I'm Samantha Newssby. Tonight, a tragic aviation disaster at one of America's busiest airports. A passenger jet and an airport emergency vehicle collide on the runway at New York's LaGuardia Airport. That killed two pilots and injuring dozens. Authorities say the incident happened late at night as an Air Canada regional jet was landing. Moments after touchdown, the aircraft slammed into a fire rescue truck that was crossing the runway. The impact was devastating. The front of the plane, including the cockpit, was crushed on impact, killing both the pilot and co-pilot. Despite the severity of the crash, passengers on board survived, many describing a sudden jolt followed by chaos inside the cabin. More than 30 people were taken to hospitals with injuries ranging from minor to serious. Emergency crews rushed to the scene within minutes, shutting down the airport and halting flights across the region. Now, chilling new details are emerging from early audio recordings and air traffic control transmissions. According to investigators, a runway crossing was cleared for the emergency vehicle at the same time the plane was approaching to land. In the final seconds before impact, controllers can be heard urgently shouting for the truck to stop, but it was too late. The aircraft, traveling at landing speed, collided with the vehicle in what experts are calling a catastrophic coordination failure.
In fact, audio recordings reportedly captured a controller admitting responsibility moments after the crash, saying, quote, "I messed up."
Investigators are now focusing heavily on communication breakdowns and runway safety procedures. Passengers say the plane had just landed when they felt a violent impact. Some described being thrown forward in their seats, while others suffered head injuries. But amid the chaos, acts of bravery emerged. Passengers worked together to open emergency exits and help others escape onto the wings of the aircraft. Many credit the pilot's final actions, including aggressive braking, with saving lives before the fatal collision. Emergency responders quickly evacuated the aircraft, preventing what could have been an even greater tragedy. Federal investigators, including the National Transportation Safety Board, are now working to piece together exactly what went wrong. Cockpit voice recorders and flight data systems are being analyzed, along with tower communications. Key questions remain. How was a runway crossing approved while a plane was landing? Were safety protocols followed or missed? LaGuardia Airport was temporarily shut down following the crash but has since reopened with heightened safety reviews underway. Tonight, the aviation community mourns the loss of two pilots who lost their lives in the line of duty. As the investigation continues, this tragedy is already raising serious concerns about runway safety and air traffic coordination. Our prayers go out to the families of those affected by this tragedy. For Global Pulse News TV, I'm Samantha Newssby. Stay informed and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more breaking news updates.